Looking for an all-inclusive escape that combines African beauty with European hospitality? Let's dive deep into what Hotel Riu Cabo Verde has to offer, and trust me, there's plenty to unpack here. This resort sits on the stunning island of Sal in Cape Verde, and it's part of the well-known Riu Hotels and Resorts chain, which means you're getting that Spanish touch of quality and service. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me say this upfront. This place is designed for people who want to relax, enjoy some sunshine, and not worry about pulling out their wallet every 5 minutes. It's one of those resorts where everything is included, and honestly, that's the best way to vacation if you ask anyone who's tried it. So buckle up, because we're about to take you through every corner of this property, from the rooms where you'll be sleeping to the beaches where you'll be lounging and everything in between. When it comes to accommodations at Hotel Riu Cabo Verde, you're looking at a solid selection that caters to different types of travelers. The standard rooms here are nothing to scoff at. They're spacious, modern, and come equipped with everything you'd expect from a quality resort. We're talking air conditioning that actually works, which is crucial when you're on a tropical island, a minibar that gets restocked regularly with drinks and snacks, and a liquor dispenser for those who enjoy a nightcap in the comfort of their own room. The beds are comfortable, and you get a choice between different configurations depending on whether you're traveling as a couple or with friends. Each room features a balcony or terrace, and depending on which room category you book, you might be looking out at the ocean, the pool, or the gardens. Now, the ocean view rooms are obviously the prize here, because waking up to the sound of waves and that endless blue horizon is pretty much what vacation dreams are made of. The bathrooms are well appointed with good water pressure in the showers, which might seem like a small detail, but trust me, after a day in the sun, you want that strong shower. For families or groups traveling together, there are suite options that provide more space and sometimes separate sleeping areas, making it easier to spread out and not feel like you're living on top of each other. The rooms also come with a flat-screen television, a safe for your valuables, and a coffee maker for those early risers who need their caffeine fix before heading to breakfast. What really stands out about the rooms at Riu Cabo Verde is how well they are maintained. Housekeeping does a thorough job, and you'll find your room cleaned and tidied up daily, with fresh towels and linens provided regularly. The decor is contemporary with warm tones that reflect the island vibe, nothing too flashy but certainly pleasant and comfortable. For guests with mobility concerns, the hotel does offer accessible rooms that are designed with wider doorways and adapted bathrooms, ensuring that everyone can enjoy their stay comfortably. Overall, the accommodations here strike a nice balance between comfort and functionality, giving you a proper place to rest and recharge between all your resort activities. Now let's talk about food, because let's be honest, that's a huge part of any all-inclusive experience. Hotel Riu Cabo Verde doesn't disappoint in this department. The main restaurant serves buffet-style meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the variety is genuinely impressive. You're looking at multiple stations with everything from fresh fruits and pastries in the morning to carved meats and seafood in the evening. The international buffet means there's something for everyone, whether you're a picky eater or someone who loves trying new things. They rotate the themes regularly, so you might have Italian night one evening, Asian fusion another night, and traditional Cape Verdean dishes on another occasion. The quality of the food is consistently good, with fresh ingredients and proper seasoning. Sure, it's not Michelin-star dining, but for an all-inclusive resort, it's definitely above average. Beyond the main buffet restaurant, there are specialty restaurants that you can book for a different dining experience. These typically require a reservation, but they're included in your all-inclusive package, which is fantastic. You might find a steakhouse serving premium cuts of meat, or an Italian restaurant with authentic pasta dishes and wood-fired pizzas. The service at these specialty venues tends to be a bit more attentive and intimate compared to the bustling buffet atmosphere. When it comes to bars, Hotel Riu Cabo Verde has you covered throughout the day and into the night. There's a lobby bar that's perfect for a welcome drink when you arrive or a nightcap before bed. The pool bar is probably where you'll spend most of your time during the day, serving up tropical cocktails, cold beers, and refreshing non-alcoholic beverages. The bartenders are skilled at mixing drinks and are usually happy to make your favorite cocktail even if it's not on the standard menu. There's also a beach bar, so you don't even have to leave your lounger to get a drink, which is the ultimate vacation luxury. In the evening, the bars come alive with different atmospheres, some offering live music or entertainment while you sip your drink. The variety of beverages available is extensive, covering everything from local Cape Verdean spirits to international brands. Coffee lovers will appreciate that there are proper espresso machines at various locations, not just that basic drip coffee you sometimes get stuck with at resorts. The all-inclusive nature means you can try different drinks without worrying about the bill adding up, which encourages you to step out of your comfort zone and sample something new. The pool and beach situation at Hotel Riu Cabo Verde is where this resort really shines. The main pool is a generous size, perfect for swimming laps if you're into that, or just floating around on a lazy afternoon. It's surrounded by plenty of sun loungers, and there are umbrellas for those who prefer some shade. The pool area is well maintained with crystal clear water, and there's a separate section that's shallower, which is great for kids or adults who prefer to wade rather than swim. The pool bar is conveniently located right there, so you can order drinks without having to trek back to your room or the main building. What's nice is that the pool area never feels overcrowded, even during peak season, because the resort has done a good job of spacing things out and providing enough loungers for everyone. Now, the beach access is one of the major highlights of staying here. Hotel Riu Cabo Verde sits right on a beautiful stretch of sandy beach with that gorgeous turquoise water that Cape Verde is famous for. The beach is cleaned regularly, and there are loungers and umbrellas set up for guests. The sand is that fine, powdery type that doesn't stick to you too badly, and the water is generally calm enough for swimming, though like any ocean, you should pay attention to the flag system and any warnings from the lifeguards. The resort provides beach towels so you don't have to use your room towels, which is a nice touch that saves you from lugging wet towels around. Water sports are available, and while some might cost extra, there are often complimentary options included in your stay. You might find kayaks, paddleboards, or snorkeling equipment available for guests to use. The ocean here is pretty clear, and if you're into snorkeling, you can spot various fish species swimming around the rocky areas near the beach. For those who want something more adventurous, there are usually options to arrange diving excursions or boat trips through the hotel's tour desk. The beach bar keeps you refreshed throughout the day, serving cold drinks and sometimes light snacks. One thing that guests consistently appreciate is how the beach area is set up to provide both social spaces and quieter spots where you can find some peace. Whether you want to be in the middle of the action or tucked away in a corner with a good book, there's space for you. The sunset views from the beach are absolutely spectacular, with the sky turning brilliant shades of orange, pink, and purple as the sun dips below the horizon. It's become a bit of a ritual for many guests to gather on the beach in the evening with a cocktail in hand to watch this daily show. Activities at Hotel Riu Cabo Verde go beyond just lounging by the pool or beach, though there's absolutely nothing wrong with that if it's your style. The resort has a decent fitness center for those who don't want to skip their workout routine even on vacation. It's equipped with cardio machines, free weights, and some basic strength training equipment. The gym is air-conditioned and has windows overlooking the resort grounds, so at least you've got a nice view while you're sweating it out. There are sometimes group fitness classes offered, like water aerobics in the pool or beach volleyball games that anyone can join. These activities are a fun way to meet other guests and add some variety to your day. For those interested in sports, there might be tennis courts available, and equipment is usually provided if you want to hit some balls around. The entertainment team at the resort organizes various activities throughout the day, from dance lessons to games and competitions. Now, these activities are completely optional, so if you're the type who prefers to do your own thing, you won't feel pressured to participate. But if you're someone who enjoys that social aspect and likes to stay busy, there's usually something happening. In the evenings, the resort puts on shows and entertainment in the main theater or outdoor stage area. These can range from live music performances to dance shows and themed parties. The quality of entertainment varies as it does at most resorts, but it's generally enjoyable and gives you something to do after dinner besides just sitting at the bar. Some nights there might be a DJ spinning tunes, other nights you might catch a local cultural performance showcasing Cape Verdean music and dance traditions. The resort also typically has a tour desk where you can book excursions to explore Sal Island and experience what Cape Verde has to offer beyond the resort walls. Popular trips include visits to the Salt Flats, the town of Santa Maria with its colorful buildings and local markets, or boat tours where you might spot sea turtles or even whales depending on the season. The spa and wellness facilities at Hotel Riu Cabo Verde provide a nice escape when you want to pamper yourself a bit. The spa offers a range of treatments from massages to facials, body wraps, and beauty services. These treatments typically come at an additional cost beyond the all-inclusive package, but the prices are generally reasonable compared to what you'd pay at a luxury spa in a major city. The therapists are trained professionals who know what they're doing, and the treatment rooms are designed to be relaxing with soft lighting, calming music, and comfortable massage tables. A typical massage session lasts anywhere from 30 minutes to 90 minutes depending on what you book, and you can choose from different styles like Swedish, deep tissue, or hot stone massage. The spa area usually includes additional amenities like a sauna and steam room, which guests can often use even if they're not booking a treatment. Spending some time in the sauna after a day in the sun can be surprisingly refreshing, helping to relax your muscles and detoxify your body. Some resorts in the Riu chain also offer hydrotherapy circuits with different temperature pools and jet systems, though the specific offerings can vary. For those interested in maintaining their wellness routine while on vacation, there might be yoga or meditation sessions offered, either as part of the regular activities program or through the spa. These sessions are usually held in peaceful settings, perhaps on the beach at sunrise or in a quiet garden area, providing a serene start to your day. The wellness philosophy at Riu properties generally focuses on relaxation and rejuvenation rather than intensive fitness programs, which fits perfectly with the vacation mindset. You can book spa treatments in advance or once you arrive at the resort, though booking ahead is recommended during busy periods to ensure you get your preferred time slot. The spa staff are usually happy to recommend treatments based on what you're looking for, whether that's relief from sore muscles, skin rejuvenation, or just pure relaxation. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.